That made me get to call Mitty a dickhead.
Hey, Cito, when they get out of there, make sure you pick up one of the orbs first. You're going to be going into the green one, and Ellie, you're going to be going into blue.
Got it.
Both big ads are. Oh shit, beam.
Going clockwise.
If y'all aren't picking up an orb, get away.
You got
from
this one, Ellie?
I didn't. Well,
Yes,
both
Ellie's
big ads
blue.
are down, and neither one of us got the orb.
That's alright.
Got it.
Go ahead. He got his, but the people were standing underneath the big ad last time. Next one's in after Nymphy and Cito, or I'm sorry, not Nymphy. Cito and Cupcakes. There's going to be Nymphy and Vic. Vic, take the green one when you go in, or take the blue one. Take the blue one now. And A-Red, you're going to be taking green when Cito's out.
Gotcha.
Guys, make sure we're taking out these little ads too.
Oh, that's right under the ball.
Half them up, pick up this orb that's dropping from this thing.
What color am I going?
Damn, you're out already? Go green.
No, I'm not there. Okay.
I'm going blue.
I'm going in after Hiroki.
Wait, you haven't been it? Dude, Hiroki's been out.
No. I asked if he had been out and I didn't hear anything.
Alright, go blue. Go in the blue one. Shit, I can't pick up this orb.
I got it, because I know I'm going in reasonably soon.
Yeah, actually, as soon as green is open, take the green one, Divvy.
Was that?
Take green, Divvy.
Got it.
Swift, take this this orb right here that's coming off this big ad. And then as soon as blue's open, go in blue or green. Actually, green's probably gonna be open. Maybe not. I have to call it out.
Big ad.
I'm out.
All right, pick up.
Blue is.
Go blue. Divvy, go green.
Vic, repeat a healing tide.
I'm already in. I'm coming out in a second.
Oh, never mind. Okay, gotcha.
Divvy's out.
All right, I'm going in green.
I'm up and dropped healing tide.
Thank you. Sorry.
No clue on kill though.
Sorry, I dropped mine right as you said that.
The AoE that the boss does. It's nothing that it can't be taunted or anything. Big ad up, and there's another one that just.
Go ahead and pop hero up there, guys.
Is there any DPS that has not been cleansed?
Everybody's been cleansed.
I'm out.
Pete, healing tide if you got.
I'm up.
Okay.
And I'm dead.
Good lord, that was a